In the chaos of modern life, buzzing phones, endless emails, and a mind that never rests, peace can feel distant. But deep in the teachings of the Buddha lie timeless lessons meant for every age, including ours. Let's walk together through 10 Buddhist lessons that bring calm and clarity to our modern world. Number 1. Breathe to return to the present. When life feels overwhelming, Buddha's first teaching is mindful breathing. Inhale deeply, exhale slowly, and notice the air. In that breath, the mind returns home to this very moment. Number 2. Let go of what you can't control. Modern stress thrives on control, but as the Buddha taught, peace begins where attachment ends. When we release what we can't change, we make space for serenity. Number 3. Practice loving kindness, metta. Hatred and comparison dominate much of today's world. The practice of metta meditation, silently wishing happiness, health, and ease for all beings, transforms your inner world into compassion's garden. Number 4. Embrace impermanence. Everything changes: success, failure, relationships. Remembering that all things are temporary helps calm anxiety about the future and regret about the past. Number 5. Cultivate mindful consumption. The Buddha spoke not only of food, but of what we feed the senses. In digital times, mindful consumption means choosing peaceful content, nature sounds, meditation, and wisdom over noise and negativity. Number 6. Find peace in silence. Silence isn't emptiness, it's fullness waiting to be felt. Spend 5 minutes daily in silence, no screens, no judgment. Hear the heartbeat of the present moment. Number 7. Walk the middle path. Modern life swings between extremes: overwork and exhaustion, indulgence and deprivation. The middle way teaches balance, simplicity without denial, discipline without pressure. Number 8. Practice gratitude daily. In Buddhist mindfulness, each sip of tea, each sunrise is cause for gratitude. Gratitude shifts the mind from lack to abundance, the essence of peaceful living. Number 9. Watch thoughts, don't fight them. Meditation isn't stopping thoughts, it's observing them without attachment. Be the sky, not the clouds. In awareness, restless thoughts lose their power. Number 10. Live with compassion and purpose. The calmest minds are those that serve others. Compassion empties the self and fills the heart with light. Each act of kindness becomes a meditation in motion. The Buddha once said that peace comes from within. These 10 lessons aren't ancient relics. They're practical tools for today's fast-paced lives. As you listen, breathe deeply. Let your heart soften and allow these teachings to remind you calmness isn't found, it's created moment by moment. If you felt calm or inspired, take a moment to breathe and share this video with anyone who needs peace today. Hit subscribe to stay connected with weekly Buddhist wisdom and mindful practices for a balanced life.